So here's my slime and it's
Okay guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today me and Josiah are going to be doing slime dares. So basically how we're going to play it is we both have to stand straight like this and we have to go like rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
We have to do rock, paper, scissors, and
Rock, paper, scissors.
you have to tell them,
Rock,
let me see,
paper,
let me see.
scissors, shoot.
You have to tell them to do something with their slime. Like, put it on that car. I dare you to sit it on here, or I dare you to, but you gotta say, I dare you to put your slime. Okay? So, Josiah, get your big
butt.
Get your big butt back here. Okay, so come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so you have to go first. I dare you. No, you gotta dare me.
I dare you to.
Hold on, I gotta take out my slime.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
I hope she doesn't say something horrible. Because I don't want you to die. Well, we won't have slime anymore. But I actually will, but I still don't want you to die. So you dare me what?
I dare you to put it in the grass.
In the grass?
And on the leaf.
On the leaf?
It won't get stuck.
Okay.
I know. See her.
Okay, guys, I have to put my slime. Show it on me. Okay, guys, so I have to put my slime on.
Yeah, we're on YouTube now. I'm not, so look at her. Gosh, yes.
You have to.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, it's over here. So, come on.
I'm not about to run. Look at my slime.
Keep it on me. Okay. Have to put this on me.
Well, just put it on this thing. Where are they going with their ugly self?
Hey guys, I put it on there.
I dared her to put it on the leaf pipe, no.
Okay.
The leaf might be dark red.
Now, come on. Okay. I dare you to put your. I dare you. No. Yeah, I dare you to put your slime on the door. On the dirt. Hold on, not yet because that car is going to move. Because Sharon's about to move her car.
On the what?
In the dirt. Just go like this. Good. This is the dirt. Bye, Sharon. Jasmine. You're smart. Okay.
Okay, back to.
Okay, come on. I dare you to put your. Hold on, guys. Okay, go. I dare you to put your slime in the dirt. But it can't be really bad dares. That will mess up your slime. Don't just drop it. Okay. Oh my gosh, she put it in the dirt round. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I was copying off of them. It's funny. Okay, come on. I actually want to dare myself real quick. I dare myself to put slime in my hair.
Now I want to dare myself. I dare myself to lick my slime.
Ew. Ugh, you're nasty.
I did dare. So
Okay,
it
come
doesn't
on.
taste like my
Your
slime.
turn to dare me.
Okay. I dare you to go smack a car with your slime.
Fine.
Over here.
Go.
Yeah, the do. She's coming. Right there.
Come on.
You better smack a car. She really did it.
The last time I was acting like a baby and I didn't want to do any dares. She told me to.
What happened if my mom or my dad was spying on us?
If they was spying on me, I would have said, what did you spying on me for?
I would say stop spying
Okay.
on me or I'm going to whack you.
I dare you to put your slime.
On my face, like face mask?
No. I dare you to put your slime on the ground.
On the ground?
Yeah. Gotta do it, baby girl. Hold on. I mean in the dirtiest spot on the ground. Ow. I was about to throw up. Hold on. Oh, guys, she did it. Wait, do it again. Guys, she did it.
It really made my slime dirty.
Oh, sorry, I didn't even know. Well,
Oh, now I like it. Look. 'Cause it's like
yeah,
that.
okay, come on.
I dare you to put your...
You gotta get in the camera.
I dare you to put your slime on your face like face mask.
Okay. I can do that. I'm not stupid. I put on a face mask all the time, even though this stuff won't stick to me. Move so I can put this on me.
I really want face mask. I can't find mine. I really want my face mask.
My face just goes smoother. Okay, come on.
Baby. But at least cute, baby.
I'll be wrong, but I'm deep after this. Pick that up.
What?
Okay, come on. My top, you know that.
Oh. Bye-bye.
What the heck, that bird? Hi, bird. Yeah, get out. Okay, come on. What do you dare me to do?
Me, yes, you dare me.
Oh, okay. I dare you to throw your slime at that door up there. Oh, on our side. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's see her. Is she gonna do it? Hold on. Wait. Gonna put my slime right there. Okay, guys. Go. They're watching you. 'Cause you gotta do it. No, Trace, I could be outside. Yes, he did.
Call him then. Call him.
Go.
Call him. Go to bed. Go to bed. He is calling him.
Oh, shoot. She did it.